how to make sushi grade tuna.
Yeah.
First, catch a freaking tuna.
Take our knife right behind the pec fin and just cut on a slant right up to the head.
All right, awesome.
And we take this down to the belly. There. Now we got a center line here. That's where the bloodline runs. So we're going to cut right down the middle of it. Okay. There. And then we're going to go like this. Now we're going to get prepared to take it off. So
All right.
we're going to go in right here at the dorsal. Right here. Hit the bone. Run straight down.
Oh, okay, you run it back.
And then come here again, hit the bone. And just run straight up.
Awesome.
Now what I do is before I take this off, I want to get the other side too.
Oh, as you
so
prep
I'm
it.
cutting evenly, right? So I'm not making any cuts deep into the fish. So I'm going to repeat the same thing. Right behind the dorsal. Bended my knife. Going right here. Go long. Now I got four.
Whoop, I'm on this side now.
Now I got four loins. These are the top loins.
Uh-huh.
I'm just going to cut along the bone to get that loin off. Down here. There we go. Put that one
Put them on ice for a moment.
on ice. Never meat down, always meat up. And this is the bottom loin. There we go. Bottom loin.
Now flip this sucker over.
Flip it over here. Right along the bone. Here, as you can see, all the meat.
Beautiful.
How old is a fish like this? Your guess.
5, 6 years.
That's it. The fish one fish.
Right over there.
Sit down.
Cap guys, we got a lot of wind here. I'm trying to.
Josh said next time.
I said now we're trimming the loin.
Way too much.
Taking out the bone here, right? Getting rid of that. So we're gonna go cut sections.
I invited him on this trip. Pleaded with him. Not pleaded.
You're interrupting my video on how to make sushi grade.
There. And we're gonna just take the bloodline again.
Uh-huh. Really good on that
In.
bloodline.
All out.
Now beautiful.
Yep.
Hold that up. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. And in the bucket.
the
it
bag.
goes. Into the bag. And just rinse and repeat.